In this video, we're gonna start a brand new Shopify dropshipping store from scratch and hopefully make some good profit with it. So let's not waste too much time, but just get right into it. Alright, as you guys can see, I'm here on my PC and I pulled up TikTok because that's what we're gonna use for our product research right now. In general, the TikTok burner account method and also the TikTok made me buy it and Amazon finds method just works really well. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna search for TikTok made me buy it. And now we can scroll through all of these really good products. As you guys can see, we have some right here already. So really cool products, and what we want to do is just basically scroll through here for a bit and see if we find something really good that stands out to us. Optimally, it should have a wow factor and also solve some kind of problem. So let me just look through this. Okay, so I've just found a product that could work really well, and it is this scrub gun you can see right here. So let me just go on a video, and here you can see the scrub gun. You can basically just wash plates and pans and whatever with it. And I think this is really problem solving because it's just way faster than doing it by hand, and it's a cool product. So now that we have the product, it is time to get it on a website and build a website. And for that, we of course gonna use Start Stores right here, because Start Stores is just amazing at building websites. And I mean, I can show you some of the websites that Start Store has built. As you guys can see here, this is really good and will definitely result in a lot of sales. So let's get a website like this. So what we want to do is basically just go onto the website, scroll down, and then you can either order a one product store, or if you're planning on selling multiple items, you can choose this branded or like popular store option with 12 products or 30 products. But for me, honestly, one product is enough because I'm just gonna sell one product right now. So let's go ahead and order this and then we'll see. So I will just scroll down here. As you guys can see, you will get a Shopify store and a logo. Then you'll get a basic theme design, even plugins and extensions, and they will basically set up everything for you. So I will click on order now, and now I will just quickly have to fill in my payment information. So let me put in my card details. Great, so now I've ordered the store. Now we'll just have to wait like one day until we get the store, and then we can start doing the other things. But since I already know what the next steps are gonna be, as long as we wait on the store, we can already get some nice ad creative set up for our store so that we can run some ads for it. So for that, I'm just gonna go back to TikTok again, and I've already searched up scrub gun here, as you guys can see. So now we can just scroll through these videos and see if we find some really good videos that have a lot of views and just recently blew up. And then basically what we're gonna do is just download them, drag them into CapCut, and then make some nice ad creatives out of them. So I will just go through these. I think these had some nice scenes. So I will just copy the TikTok link and then go to a website called Snaptik. This is a really good website where you can basically just download these TikToks. So let me download this one. Now let's download another video. This is a good video, I think. Let's see. Yeah, this has some nice footage. Alright, so now we'll just quickly wait until that is downloaded. And we can already open up CapCut. If you don't have CapCut, just download it from the App Store. It's a really good cutting app. So now, of course, we could just take these ad creatives that I just downloaded and just use them as ads directly. But you will get in a lot of trouble if you do that too often, since the video doesn't belong to you. But if you just change little bits about it and cut some videos together, then it will be all fine. So that's what we're gonna do right now. And now what we're gonna do is just cut out unnecessary parts and see how it makes sense. I'm gonna scale it up a bit. Now, as you guys can see, here are the ad creatives. So we got 3 nice videos that we can use as ads. So now all that's really left for us to do is wait and see when the store arrives. Alright, it's finally the next day and I got an email that we received the store, so let's have a look at the store now. Alright, so here we are in the store. I also changed the colors a bit, but this is what it looks like. So we got a nice logo with the bubbles because it's called Power Scrub. And I mean, this fits perfectly with the brush that is gonna clean. So that's really good. Then if we look down here, we even got reviews on the product, featured product. But now let's go to the product page. And here we have some nice images of the product, and then also our different variants and a nice little description with pictures and also text. And down here we have reviews even with pictures. So a really solid store, and from my experience something like this just always sells. So let's go ahead and set up the ads for the store now. So as you guys can see, I just went to TikTok ads and created a new campaign, and now I'm going to click on advanced here since we want to create the campaign ourselves, of course. So now we'll just wait, and now we choose website conversions here. I'm just going to leave the rest as it is, then continue on to the next site. Now here we'll just choose our pixel, then I will always select placement, so we only do it on TikTok. Now we will just gonna turn off the user comments, video download, and also video sharing. Now for the location, we're gonna target the UK. You can always target US or UK. I think United Kingdom works really well. And then of course we want people older than 18 to see our video because it doesn't really make sense. Kids don't have money to buy our products. Now we will just go down here to the budget, and I'm just gonna put it to $100 because we're really trying to get some sales here. Now I'm gonna do some day parting, and we're gonna run the ads from 9 to 24 p.m. Yeah, sorry for being a bit fast with this, but it's just simple setup. You can slow the section down if you want to see the exact ad setup. Now we will just leave that as it is. And now on this last page, what is left for us to do is basically just upload our ad creatives. So I will just click on upload. Now this comes up sometimes, then you just have to change the name. It's a bit weird. But if you just change the name real quick, then we can upload these ad creatives and also write a nice little text. So I'm just gonna do get yours on sale now. I think this will work really well. Now of course here we'll add our URL, so our destination link, and then everything is set up. Now we can just click on submit, and now they will get approved hopefully, and then we can start running these ads and we'll just see how many sales will come in. Now we have officially run our ads for 24 hours, so let's have a look at the store now. I already saw that some sales came in, but I'm not sure how many yet. So let's just see, and yeah, let's just see. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm on the Shopify dashboard right here, and as you guys can see, we got one sale here, and then we got, I don't know how many sales that is, probably 4 sales the next day too, and that's pretty much what we did. So we did $180 in sales, and that coming from 5 sales. So really good. I mean, we spent $100 on ads, but if we subtract the ads and then also the product costs, this comes out to around $30 profit, I think. And this is still good. I mean, how much time did we just spend on this? It was basically just running an autopilot and we made money. So really great. So if I were you, I would definitely get a store from Start Stores. As you guys can see on this Shopify dashboard, it clearly works, and you can make some money with dropshipping too.